be unboxing a stylus pen which I have bought for using it with my iPad. You can find the video of my iPad unboxing and review part at this end of the video. So I've got this in a very simple packaging. There was only some Amazon packaging used. Nothing much on the box. No features are mentioned. Nothing. So it has a simple packaging. So it shows Xmate here. So I've got love your Xmate gadget. It shows please leave us a review, and this is the pencil which I am going to use. So, and nothing much in the box, and not even a charging wire. So this isn't an electrical component. This is just mechanical kind of thing. So I've got a magnetic cap over here. It makes a small sound, and we can attach it towards the back also. So for time being, I'll attach it in the back, and you can see this my iPad. I'll just open it. So this is the difference of drawing with a finger. So you get this thick kind of lines. And now let's see if this is somewhat different. Yeah, this is quite small than finger ones. So it's very simple to operate. And we can scroll with this also. So we can use 2 fingers to scroll, right? So this doesn't need a pairing or any charging for using it on a device. So it works with smartphone as well as an iPad or any touch device you have. So since I've ordered this case also, I've shown you this case in the video before. So I have a place to keep my pencil. So it's just like that, and if I need to push it out, it's just like this from the back. It has 2 holes. So, and I've also got an extra tip. So this is the front. It looks like a disc tip, and it more of looks like a pencil here. And from the back you have a screw kind of opening, and we have a small hidden tip here, another disc tip. We just need to pull this out. It will just come out. Again you can push this inside. So in case if you think that tip is damaged, you can replace it with another one. So I'll leave this link in the description below, and I guess that's all I have to say. So overall, I like this product. It is quite simple, and I'll also leave the product buying link of the iPad. If you like it, you can buy. It's worth it. It is somewhere over 58,900, but I guess you don't have a stock now. So I suggest you to buy a pencil for if you don't want smudges on your device's screen. And you can also use this on a smartphone such as Samsung or any other phone. You can just use this. It's kind of finger only, but we can get smudge proof. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, tap the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any doubts. Thank you.